Hello, fifth grade. This is Mrs. Phelps. I wanted to make a quick video to talk through the path that blood takes through the heart. I know if you have been in class, we have talked through this. We did the obstacle course, so you got a chance to kind of see and actually physically be a red blood cell as you kind of make your way through. But I know sometimes that can be hard to remember all of the intricacies that discuss it. So I just thought I would talk through it while you could see what your packet page looked like and we kind of talk through it. All right, here we go. We are starting our journey in the lungs, okay? Obviously, it's a very great anatomical drawing of the lungs, but the blood has gone to the lungs. It has picked up oxygen, and here's where we're starting our path of blood through the heart. You ready? Here we go. It's gonna come from the lungs into the pulmonary veins, okay? They now have oxygen. It comes from the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. From the left atrium, it's gonna go through this little valve. Remember, valves open, close, open, close, open, close. So it's gonna go from the left atrium through this mitral valve. A lot of times you might see it known as the bicuspid valve. That is because we don't get this detailed in fifth grade, but it has these two little strands, two little muscles that help it to move and beat. But anyway, the mitral valve or the bicuspid valve, either one is fine. I'll accept both answers. Into the left ventricle. If you notice, this left ventricle has the largest muscle wall with it, and that is because it uses it to pump blood from this left ventricle right up here into the aorta. I have it labeled here, but into this aorta. The aorta goes, it goes away from your body, or away from the heart into your body, right? So this is where you've got oxygenated blood. It has gone into your body, goes to your heart, it goes from your heart to your brain and your limbs and all your other organs. Does its job, delivers the oxygen. Your muscles can do its thing, do the work. And then from there, it comes in, delivers the oxygen, and then it comes back. Now the blood is it's deoxygenated, right? It no longer has oxygen with it. It's gonna come in from the upper part of your body into the superior vena cava, right here. It's gonna come in from the lower half of your body, from the inferior vena cava. Okay, so they both come in here and they meet in the right atrium. Okay, the right atrium is gonna go, same thing, through this valve. Remember, valve opens and shuts into the tricuspid valve. Again, we don't get into this in fifth grade, but I know you guys are just science-loving people and wanna know. It's called the tricuspid valve because it's got these three muscles that help it to move, open and close, into the right ventricle. And then from the right ventricle, it goes right up here into this pulmonary valve. And the pulmonary valve, again, open, shut, takes it into the pulmonary arteries. And this is taking blood away from the heart, right? Because it's deoxygenated. So it needs to get oxygen. So it takes it away from the heart into the lungs. And then the cycle starts all over again. Email me or your teacher if you have any questions. Have a great day, fifth grade.